Hi, my name's Luke Guinn. I'm with General Shale here at the International Builder Show 2026 in sunny Orlando, Florida. It's great to be here once again, and every time we come, we want to up the ante a little bit more. What I want to show today is this is the side of our booth that we've designated as the thin brick or the thin solution side. So what do I mean by thin? Well, when you think of brick, you probably think of full bed facades for the exterior of a home or the exterior of a building, a school or a hospital, you name it. Well, thin brick is starting to really be on the rise, and for a lot of different reasons. Some of it's efficiency. As builders want to build homes faster, the brick industry has to adapt to that and offer solutions for that desire. This is thin brick here. So this is what we're showing you here is this can be used on an exterior. What do I mean by thin brick? Thin brick is legitimately a full brick that's just been cut thin. You can adhere it much like tile on the wall on the inside. On the outside you can install it as long as you consider the appropriate drainage solutions. Here's why I brought us out here today. So this is on the wall. One of the things that we're really starting to see a lot of is floor applications of thin brick. So think about a foyer of your new home design, or think about a mudroom. It doesn't even have to be a new home. Think about your existing home and a way to add character and a way to really bring out something unique in your home that people maybe just don't see anywhere else. This is a fabulous way to do that. It's thin brick that is installed on the floor. It can stand up to anything. Pets, kids, spills, as long as you seal it, you'll have no issue cleaning it up and it won't change the color either. This is a great way to add character and to add a certain charm into your home that you would typically think you could only get on the outside. Use this on your home today.